Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is Zone Cleaning Tuesday, which is the kitchen. So on Tuesday, I clean the kitchen. Kaya, sit down. My daughter's back there standing in her high chair. Sit down. On Tuesdays, I clean the kitchen for 30 minutes. I knock everything out that I can possibly knock out in 30 minutes, and what I don't get to waits until next Tuesday. So let's get right into it. And we have a special guest in tonight's episode of Zone Cleaning Tuesday. Who's our special guest?
Okay.
What's your name? Tell him. Can you tell him your name?
Kaya.
Kaya. Do you know your middle name? Is it Kaya Rose?
Yes.
Yes. And are you about to be 2 years old? Can you count 1, 2?
1,
2. Wipe down the counters, and guess what we're using? The Norwex. Oh, do you know what we're using?
Yes.
My husband looked at me. This is the Norwex Enviro cloth. If you don't have one, get one. There'll be a link down below. All you do is add water to this, and you can wipe down any surface. Very easy. not least, Kyle's gonna mop the floor.
Wrong.
Last but not least, we're gonna use our Norwex mop, and I'm first gonna use my dry cloth to try to get up all this dust and dirt and hair and junk. And then I'm gonna use my wet cloth and do a little mopping. I don't know why I couldn't think about that. And that's gonna be it. So, go ahead and please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you are loving my new house updated zone cleaning routine. Even though this is only episode 2, I'm going to do one for every day. If you have not watched my Monday living room one, I will link that either here or here. And this will be, like I said, the Tuesday kitchen one. So stay tuned for Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. So earlier when I was kind of ending the video, hey, stay here, it's wet, baby. Hi, no. Well, we're falling apart here, guys. But earlier when I was kind of looking behind me, when I was ending the videos, because I was looking to see if she was around. She likes to end the videos for mommy. Hey, come here. You want to see yourself? Come here. Okay, we're gonna end the video. What do you say?
What's that?
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
And what else? You blow kisses. And what else?
Mama.
Love you more and more. Thanks, guys. Can you say thanks, guys?